Ready? Me, 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 me. Hey, beautiful. Welcome back. How are you today? It's Chandi, and I have a delightful tutorial for you today. You're going to learn how to knit this gorgeous champagne cowl. This pattern features a simple, repeating, totally reversible stitch, and it's great for beginners, so you're gonna be able to memorize this and whip this out in no time. You're gonna need US size 9, 5.5 millimeter needles, and I recommend 24 to 32 inches long, just so you have enough cable to hold all the stitches you're gonna need. You're gonna need 3 skeins of DK weight yarn, and today I'll be demonstrating with our North DK, which is soft and draping and oh so cuddly. The color I'm using today is called Eagle River. All of the colors in our current North DK collection are based on towns and cities in Alaska. Tim and I were both born and raised in Alaska, so this yarn collection really holds a special place in our hearts for sure. If you do want the written version of this pattern, you can download it at expressionfiberarts.com. I will also put the link in the description box for you. For today's demo, I'm going to be making a small little swatch using the magic loop method so I can fit that small cylinder onto my needles. But when you're making the actual cowl, you won't need to use magic loop because you'll have enough stitches to fit nicely on your needle. Let's begin. You're going to want to cast on 200 stitches or any multiple of 5. I'll be doing 20 stitches today just to speed the process up a little bit. It'll be a little miniature cowl for a mouse or a squirrel. Let's go ahead and cast on. Round 1, you're gonna knit every stitch. Okay, round 1, you're just gonna simply knit every stitch all the way around. And I like to give a little tug after the first and second stitch, just to cinch up that little gap there. And you do want to make sure that your stitches are not twisted when you begin this first round, otherwise you're going to end up with a Mobius and not a cowl. Round number 2, you're going to purl every stitch all the way around. Alright, for round number 2, you're going to bring your yarn to the front, and we're just going to purl every stitch all the way around. Round number 3, you're going to knit all the way around. Okay, for round number 3, it's the exact same as round number 1. You're just going to knit every stitch all the way around. Round number 4, you're going to purl every stitch. Okay, round number 4, you're going to bring your yarn to the front and you're going to purl every stitch all the way around, just like you did in round number 2. Super easy. Round number 5, you're going to knit every stitch all the way around. Round number 5 is another super easy round. You're just going to knit every stitch all the way around. Round number 6, you're going to purl 1, knit 4, and repeat that all the way around. Round number 6, you're going to purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat that all the way around. So purl 1, knit 2, 3, and 4. And keep doing that all the way around. Round number 7, you're going to purl 2, knit 3, repeat that around. Round number 7, you're going to simply purl 2 and knit 3. 2, 3. So you repeat that all the way around your cowl. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn to the back, and then knit 3. 1, 2, and 3. Round number 8, you're going to purl 3, knit 2, repeat that all the way around. Round number 8, you are going to purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and then knit 2, 1, 2. One more time, purl, 2, 3, knit 2, and repeat that all the way around. Round number 9, you're going to purl 4, knit 1, and you guessed it, repeat that all the way around. Round number 9, another super simple round. You're going to purl 4, knit 1. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, and repeat that around. So purl, 2, 3, 4, and knit 1, and keep going. Round 10, you are going to purl every stitch. Round number 10, this is a super easy, mindless row. No counting required. You're just simply going to purl every stitch all the way around your cowl. Nice and easy. Here's what I've got so far on my teeny tiny little mouse cowl. At this point, you'll be able to see the triangle stitch pattern that's starting to emerge on your cowl. Now all you do is repeat rounds 6 through 10 over and over and over until the cowl is the length that you would like. Then you're gonna finish your cowl by working rounds 1 through 4 again, and then you're gonna bind off using a stretchy bind off. I recommend Jenny's surprisingly stretchy bind off, and I do have a video showing that, so I will link below to that for you. And that is it. I hope you loved this little tutorial today. Let me know what you think, and whatever you do, make sure you go out and soak up this gorgeous day. It was made for you, and everything that happens today is for your highest good. Bless all of it, the pleasant, the less than pleasant, it is all here for you to help you grow into your best, most beautiful self. I appreciate you watching, and I'm gonna see you next time. Later, sweet potato. Bye. Hello. Ready? Me. I forgot, wait. Hold on, I forgot. Hey, before I go back to you, ready? Tutorial today. Let me know what you think. Okay. The life you see, it's very dear to me. The day's adventures are through. Da 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 da. Oops, I rubbed my makeup. Bye!